Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download Roblox Studio on your phone. So first you just have to go to any web browser. Right now I am currently using Google web browser. So you just have to click or go to your Google web browser. And then what you're going to do now is to simply look or search for roblox.com. Okay, and then once you type the roblox.com here, make sure that you have logged into your account. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is just simply go to create, tap create here, and then once you tap create, you should see start creating button here. But before anything else, you should make sure that you're using desktop mode or side. To do that, tap this three dots and then click this square right here. Okay, check this one. So this thing will appear if you have downloaded your Roblox Studio already. If not, then this one will appear. Okay, so make anything you can imagine, tap start creating, then that's how you download Roblox Studio. Okay, so after you tap that one, then you can start create experience and games on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.